32 GTR, sick Mustang. Wow, this is a mad lineup. We're off-roading in the S15 right now. Are we supposed to be going this way? Hey everyone, Jordan here from ThatCarLife, and today we're in the S15 Silvia, and it's a beautiful Saturday night here in Sydney, and we're going to a meet and cruise that's going to have a mad variety of cars. We're talking muscle cars, rotaries, JDMs, and we're going to do a POV drive as well. So let's head down to the meet and check out the action. All right, we're just about to pull in now, guys. It's here on the left. I can see some muscle, a whole bunch of variety. There's an R33 here. Oh, no way, Triple S Pulsar. I think that's Leonardo's car. It's mad. This is sick. Wow, look at that. 32 GTR, sick Mustang, RX3, full rotaries, Camaro, look at that. That Ford looks sick. There's some quality cars here. As soon as we got here, they're leaving. So there's that colour support, say hello. We're starting the POV straight away. We didn't get to do a walk around, but when we get there, we'll do a walk around. At least we're not missing out on the cruise. Yeah. Now guys, this is a traffic jam that you want to be in. I've got an RX-7 behind me, Series 2. You've got Triple S Pulsar. You've got big power V8s over there. Like, this is what you call a traffic jam. See, bro, that thing is hot. And the 32 GTR, that's hot as well. Whoa! That sounds sick. Oh, the sun is out. Hopefully we can catch up to some of the other cars. But we've got Leonardo's sick Triple S in front of us. And funnily enough, that's actually Ryan in the WRXs behind us. That's his brother's old car from like years ago, which is crazy. And a Rolls Royce. I spot Leonardo's Triple S and I spot a VO.
A camera.
And a speed camera. Oh, and a VK, cool. Man, that's a really nice SS right there. Yeah, the idle one, that sounds sick. That is such a sick combo, driving next to each other. That looks dope. Now that's a car you have on your P's. That's sick. Just casually bonding over some good dose. brake came from. Oh yeah, we passed the fake harbour bridge. Finally caught up to some of the muscle cars. AMG, Camaro. That's dope. That's sick. That's sick. Can't beat that old school muscle. Even that thing's sick. This is sick, man. What a great variety, eh? That's sick. That's mad. What a mad lineup. That's sick. That is dope. Oh, I'm so scraping there. There's no way. No, I think that's great. This is a sick lineup. I just love the variety, guys. You got all this muscle. You've got James Vella's beautiful Mirage right there, which we'll check out later. That thing's dope. Nice RX3 over there as well. Wow, this is a mad lineup. If you guys don't know where we are, this is Liverpool Harry the Wheels / Krispy Kremes, which is a massive meetup spot in Sydney as well. So if you ever want to check out some mad cars on a Friday night, Saturday night, this is pretty much the area to go, or the spot to go. This Holden's sick. Full blower, everything. We're far away, but at least we've got a spot. I can't wait to check out all these cars. How was that drive, Ryan? You got to drive with your brother's old car.
Bit of nostalgia.
Yeah. So we parked up, as you can see, we're in like the back corner. So it was actually so hard to find a spot. We've got my S15 chilling here next to Ryan's car. Yeah, we got the lucky last spots here, which is good. Angelo, where's the 34, bro?
So we're in storage for the moment. We'll be back.
It's a sleeper.
Sleeping, yeah.
And this is a sick BA Falcon as well in white. Throws me back to our BA Falcon that we got with the boys. So yeah, this one's done really nice. Lowered as well. And after the paint and bodywork is actually really clean too. I think it might be an XT potentially. I know our Ford with the boys is the XT. No, it's not. This looks like a lot fancier of a Ford than our one. But yeah, this is really clean. This thing's dope, man. Like honestly, you can't beat like a nice air filter out the bonnet. Like so aggressive. The nice chrome wheels. You just can't beat muscle. Like JDM is obviously in its own league, but so is muscle. Like it's just completely different type of cars to experience. And when you see one done right, just like this, it does something to you. We've got a Falcon Ute here. The plates are "You're late," which is quite funny. But yeah, this is clean. Looks like it's got some thick tyres on the back. Must have some decent power. And yeah, really clean engine bay as well. I bet this thing makes some proper power. So the car park's starting to fill up, guys. Muscle, JDM. There's another S15 right here next to an R31. Was that R31? Yeah. Some dosage going on. I really like that grey 15. That's clean. That sounds mad. That is so nice. FC RX7, that's the VL that we were driving with before too. Yeah, this is a proper vibe, guys. This is like Sydney's car scene at its peak. Got like a fully slam Beamer there next to an RX3. Muscle cars as far as you can see. It's mad. This is hectic. I love the color on this. Yeah, S13 and an S15. How are you, bro?
Hi, bro.
Oh, I love this. The Starlet on walls. It's the best. This thing sounds like it's got work done to it as well. That's dope. That's That's mad. That's like a starlet on steroids. That's sick. But yeah, you can tell, guys, that these cars have some mad power. Just from the tires, you can see that these things, they mean business. You know what I mean? Really nice Simmons. I love the white and white on this SS right here. The perfect wheels set up for this car. Really clean. Beautiful SLR 5000 right here. Can't go wrong with the SLR, especially one in this color as well. I feel like you never really see them in yellow. So yeah, it's actually really nice to see one in this color. Really proper. But this here, right here, this is one of my favorite Mirages. This is James's Mirage. This came to one of my Sex Spec mates years ago before it was in its full form. But this thing is amazing. He built this all himself. Absolutely beautiful. Like the interior's fully been retrimmed. Obviously mad wheels on walls, but the interior is where this car really shines. Everything's been retrimmed. It's got screens all around, including the back and the boot. This thing's been done very right. It's got a full sound system. Yeah, you guys can see the full boot setup. Like this was all custom made. Like he did it all himself. And yeah, you can see the screens in here as well. Really nice dump exhaust tip too. Downlights on the interior as well to check it out. This is basically like a modern day Sex Spec build, which is sick. It's like what you would have seen back in the days, but it's built now. I just love this car. So if you guys want to follow this car, check out the build. I'll put it right here. It's just, yeah, what a car. And at the same time, we've got some beasts coming in. We've got beautiful HSV sounding mad with that nice lump. Another one following right behind it, and I think it's a SS. Hey bro, how are you, man? That's a sick M3. It sounds mad. Nice FD pulling in. And check out the vibe here, guys. All the mad Holdens here. 32 GDR right out the front of Harry's. This Skyline is immaculate, this R31. Literally the bodywork is immaculate. I can't find one imperfection on this thing. It is literally immaculate. And the owner's an absolute legend as well. I love the wheels as well, like the proper OEM spec. Probably one of the cleanest R31s. Absolutely love it. No way, a C8 Corvette. That's not something you see in Australia. That's mad. And we come back next to the 15 is this beautiful FD RX-7 that we saw pulling in before. This thing sounded next level and it looks amazing as well. Really love the BBS wheels in the black. Just a nice clean setup. Honestly, like you just can't go wrong with an FD RX-7. Like I think it's one of the best looking JDM cars. Like top 3 JDM cars looking wise, I would literally say like S15 Silvia, 34 GDR and an FD RX-7. Like for me, they're my top 3 best lookers. Honestly love it. And there's this really clean Falcon turbo as well on the nice Simmons as well. And when you have one of these, Simmons just suit it, especially some fat Simmons just like this. So we're just leaving the meet now, guys. That was a mad turnout. Lots of awesome cars, awesome people. We pretty much checked out all of the meet, everything that we could see. So now we've just got Ryan's WRX next to us and we're gonna head back to the area. So I don't know when I'm gonna pick up the camera next, but I'll see you guys then. Alright guys, so it's the very next morning. We are on the way to another meet. Funnily enough, it's another muscle car meet. It's the midweek muscle car meet. Here's a car right here that's leaving the meet, Tirana. But yeah, lots of muscle car meets on this weekend, which is pretty nuts. See, we've been to this meet before and there's always some awesome cars. And Mr. GT actually messaged and said he will be here as well. So it'd be cool to see him down here too. And Angelo is already down there with his 34 GDR. I'll pick up the camera again when we pull in and we'll check out the sick cars at this meet. Alright, so we're pulling in now. We've got some mad cars leaving as well, just like this mad VK. With that walking shore, that's proper. And we've got a C8 Corvette. I'm seeing heaps of these, eh? I saw 2 last night, and now another one here. Man, that sounds dope. Oh, man. It's gold coin entry, so I've got a few gold coins I'm gonna pop in. Thank you. Day, guys. Thank you. Here's Angelo. Whereabouts are you parked, bro?
Around. I'm in the middle bay parking now.
Alright, mad. Is this right around here?
Yeah. Follow the Corvette.
This is like a full trail. Hey bro, how are ya?
Hi, man.
Good to see you, man. Oh, hiya. This is right.
Yeah.
We're off-roading in the S15 right now. I don't even think, are we supposed to be going this way? I don't know. I'm just following the Corvette. I don't know if this is right. I hope so. I think we're driving on a footpath. This is so funny. Okay, maybe it is right. I didn't expect to be off-roading this morning with a C8 Corvette. This is this is literally so insane. Look at these cars, guys. Mustang, Evo. The variety is nuts, eh? There's the boys from Skylines Australia, their cars. They got the Evo and the R34. Angelo said his car's in the middle somewhere. We'll come around. Guys, the variety here is nuts. And this is like, what, 8 o'clock in the morning on a Sunday. I'm telling you, man, like the car scene in Sydney is insane. You saw the night scene last night, and this is literally the morning scene right now. All right, guys, so we're just pulled into the meet. We've got my S15 here, parked up next to Angelo's 34 GTR. I love it when we go to meets and we have the 34 and the S15 next to each other, just because of the matching plates and kind of the matching colors as well. You know, 15 oof, 34 oof, you gotta love it. And we've got Josh's Liberty here as well. You guys have seen this in the channel in the past as well. Really good varieties, you can see. We've got our JDMs, but we've got some sick muscle cars here to check out. So we'll go for a bit of a walk around and we'll check out the mad cars here. Guys, check out this Evo 3, I think. Yeah, Evo 3. That is proper a Mac, and I love the yellow plates. Right next to a Tirana. Like, this is the variety, guys. JDM's right next to muscle. This Firebird is immaculate as well. Little Mazda here. I think it's a 323. You can correct me in the comments if I'm wrong. This also has the NRMA badge on the front. Joel has the Candy FA3TS. We did a feature on it. He also had that NRMA badge on the front, which is pretty cool. It's like an old school vintage thing that people do. This is a really clean Escort that's leaving here. That's mad. The yellow like pops in the sun. And then yeah, look at this lineup here, guys. Like, that's proper muscle. And got the bonnet pins and everything. Can't go wrong with a good Valiant, especially one with something sticking out the bonnet. And I think, is this a Cuda, guys? I don't know. I need to get more up to speed with my muscle, but I'm pretty sure this is a Plymouth Hemi Cuda, I think. Oh my god, look at these plates, bro. Trust me. And I was saying last night, a orange XY GT is like absolute goals for me. Just can't go wrong. VL. This thing's clean. I love the interior on this thing. White car with the red interior. And you know what I love about this? It's got the red stripes along the side, and it kind of matches the interior as well. So I think that's a really cool feature. And the dash and all the trims are red as well. I love it when a car has a good theme. It's the best, because you see the attention to detail when it has a nice theme throughout it. And then we've got like an old school red Supra next to it, which is mad. RX4, and you got to love the plates on this RX4. I love a buzz. I mean, who doesn't? Clean Capri, that's proper. Now that's not something you see every day. That's cool. It is a Corolla, right? This is like, I had to do like a double take here. I was about to walk past, but you just can't. Bro, look at the quality on this. This is like, oh my god, the engine bay. Man, Mems would be frothing over this engine bay right now. That is just proper show spec. Not one imperfection. Shaved bay, painted, chrome, everything's tucked. Can't see a battery anywhere. Like, this is proper show spec, eh? This is a Mac. Look at the interior as well. Recaro SR3s retrimmed, dashes retrimmed, kid seat in the back, can't go wrong. This thing is mad. Paint the wheels, bro. This thing, that is like absolutely immaculate. Guys, this 68 Charger sounds nuts. Yeah, that's hectic. So guys, a lot of the cars are leaving now. As you can see, it's pretty much emptying out. That sounds hectic. If you guys want to see all the cars leaving in detail, check out Mr. GT's channel. It'll be linked up here and in the description. He'll be out there filming every single car leaving the meet. You'll get to hear all the noises, see him up close, just like this right here. Yeah, Mr. GT will have all of it, so I'm keen to see the video too. All right, guys, so we're leaving now. As you can see there, the meet pretty much cleared up. So I guess we got here at a pretty good time, because like we got to do a bit of a walk around and then everyone left. I don't know what this timing is. Last night's meet, we got there, everyone was leaving. And then this meet, we got here and everyone left like not long after. So I don't know, do we just make everyone leave? We'll see if we can spot Mr. GT when we come around. There's Mr. GT over there. Hey, how are you, George? Yeah, I'll see you next time. See ya. Yeah. You gotta love Mr. GT, he's the best. So we got the S15 back at the garage and we just got it chilling on the hoist here, looking nice and pretty. And yeah, sorry if this video is a bit all over the place, guys. It has like a little bit of everything. It has a bit of driving, bit of POV, some car mates and everything. So I really hope you guys enjoyed, especially seeing, I guess, 2 different meets in one video. If you did enjoy it, please make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. It does us an absolute solid, and we're getting so close to 10K subs. And with all of your support, we can get there very soon. So I'll leave the video there, guys. Thank you all so much for watching, and I'll see you all in the next one on That Car Life.